Welcome you all to this video. In this video, we have to know about how to blacklist an IP address in cPHulk using the command line. Introduction. cPHulk Brute Force Protection is a security feature in cPanel and Web Host Manager that helps protect your server against brute force login attempts, targeting services such as cPanel, Web Host Manager, Webmail, File Transfer Protocol, and Secure Socket Shell. If you need to permanently block a specific IP address from accessing these services, you can add it to the cPHulk blacklist directly from the command line. Prerequisites. Before proceeding, ensure that you have root Secure Socket Shell access to the server. cPHulk Brute Force Protection is enabled on the server. You know the IP address that needs to be blacklisted. The server is running cPanel and Web Host Manager. Implementation Step 1. Connect to the server via Secure Socket Shell. Step 2. Add the IP address to the cPHulk blacklist. Run the following command, replacing 203.xxx.xx with the IP address you want to block. usr local cPanel scripts cPHulk d blacklist 203.xxx.xx. This command adds the specified IP address to the cPHulk blacklist. Example output 203.xxxxx has been blacklisted. Conclusion. Using the cPHulk dblacklist script is the quickest way to block a malicious or unwanted IP address in cPHulk from the command line. This method is particularly useful for administrators who need to take immediate action without accessing the Web Host Manager interface. After the command is executed, the IP address is added to the cPHulk blacklist and restricted from accessing protected services on the server. Thank you. Like, subscribe, and share.